A Shramik special train carrying 331 Manipuris from Telangana reached Jiribam railway stations at around 10 a.m. today. So far, 7 special trains have ferried back stranded Manipuris from different parts of the country. Meanwhile, another Shramik train with 1,145 Manipuris on board, which left Uttarakhand, Dehradun on 19th of this month, is expected to reach the Jiribam railway stations this afternoon. Our Jiribam correspondent reports. The nationwide COVID-19 tally crossed 1.1 lakh today, with 5,609 new cases getting detected in the last 24 hours. This is the second biggest single-day spike in the number of COVID-19 cases in the country. According to the Union Health Minister update at 8 a.m., the total number of cases in the country is 1,12,359. Cyclone Amphan, which barreled through Odisha and West Bengal on Wednesday, has killed 21 people, a media report said. The storm began its landfall at 2:30 p.m. on Wednesday with sustained wind speed of 155 to 165 km per hour, spiraling up to 185 km per hour. The storm weakened as it moved ahead and is currently centered over Bangladesh. Following the largest single-day spike in COVID-19 cases yesterday in Manipur, the State Home Department has taken up extra precautionary measures in Imphal West and Imphal East districts. The Indian Meteorological Department stated that the cyclone Amphan may hit Assam at any moment. According to notifications issued by Deputy Commissioner Kamrup, there is a strong likelihood of wind spread effect of cyclone. Singhat MLA and Manirida Chairman G.S. Haupu inspected quarantine center in his constituency this morning. The MLA visited Sangaikot TD Block Home Quarantine Center and Bongmul Village Quarantine Center. The MLA also inspected the conditions of B. Kaljang Village. COVID-19 Relief Committee, Mayang Imphal today provided breakfast to the inmates of Quarantine Center at Prabhavati College, Mayang Imphal. The committee said it will provide meals to 116 inmates in their quarantine center of Mayang Imphal, Bengun. The passenger will have to report 2 hours in advance, and only those who have departure scheduled in the next 4 hours will be allowed to enter the terminal building. The Airport Authority of India's fresh guideline on domestic air travel start. However, the Civil Aviation Ministry has categorically stated this will not be the final standard operating procedure (SOP) on domestic air travel, as per a media report.